What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for jumping in to catch another video. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Please hit the like button and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of every new video when we post it. Guys, today is April 9th, the Tuesday. I think that's right. Guys, today is April 8th, Tuesday, second day back in the stock market since the crazy tariff drops and rallies and everything have hit. And I'm going to tell you, it was another day just like any other day, except for one thing. Yesterday was a great rally up day. The stock market moved a lot in the right direction. Everything hit pretty much what we want to believe is bottom lows. I think I shared with you guys yesterday, I bought into some more Palantir. I bought in NVIDIA. I bought Nike. I have not had Nike before and felt it was a good opportunity to get some Nike stock. But the purpose of this channel is to talk about the best day trade stocks. And I'm going to tell you right now, guys, I live and breathe by APLD, Applied Digital. It's a stock you can basically trade every single day, almost without fault, and you're going to get some successful return. Today was an incredible day of return, just like yesterday was an incredible day of return. We actually thought that APLD was going to run to $6, but unfortunately some crazy tariff news that was coming out of the White House involving China caused a lot of people to dump and drop back out of the market. And so SPY, that was on a super fly high, went back down. And so NVIDIA went down, and so did APLD go with it. But I'm going to tell you, there's plenty of other stocks out there, guys, that I tell you about for day trading, where, again, if you understand the candlestick patterns, learn your candlestick patterns, you can get in and out of those stocks and be a winner. Now, please understand, these videos are not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These are videos that are made to basically just tell you what I am doing, what stocks I am in, and where I am making money. And my goal is that every day, each stock that I trade in and out of, I'm going to make at least $100, and that is the goal. And many days I hit that target, and some days I do not. But that's okay, guys. It's a stock market, and it's not a stock market that's put out there for people to always lose or always go down. So if you get into a trade, you get into a stock, play one stock trade at a time, and you end up missing your exit point and the stock drops, have some patience, be an owner of the company for a little while, bag hold it for a little bit, the stock will come back. So let's talk a little bit about what's going on in the market today. Woo! The White House, our president, Donald Trump, tariff talk. There is just craziness going on right now, causing all kinds of volatility and all kinds of fear. And I'm going to tell you, don't run from the fear, buy during the fear. Best time to buy stocks is when everybody's afraid of it, selling, running, getting away from it, super low. You get in super low. Gives you an opportunity to grow your money. Okay. Second thing, the tariff talk. There were discussions today about potentially a pause in tariffs, where we believe that many, I think it was up to 30 countries that responded back and said, we want to negotiate. Guys, what do you think is going to happen to the stock market now that these countries are basically saying, hey, we want to negotiate with the United States on the tariffs? We'll drop all our tariffs to zero, United States, if you don't impose tariffs on us. That's all we've been looking for. We've been looking for fair trade deals, fair trading between countries, okay? Now, there's a whole flip side to that. There are countries out there that obviously don't have as many people as we have. They have, say, 10 million, 15 million people to our 350 plus million people that we have, you know, as citizens of the United States. So yeah, obviously, naturally, the number percent of tariff against a country probably should be lower than what the tariff is against the United States. Or maybe they're higher than us and we're lower. I don't know, guys. I don't know the calculation. I don't even want to get into the politics of it. All I'm saying is that right now, all the negative tariff talk is causing the stock market to drop. Okay, S&P 500, the Dow Jones, all of them are at super lows, super down. I literally watched the S&P 500 today run all the way up to 528, 530, something like that today, $530 per share. And now it's down below 500. I think last I looked, it was 490 something. Okay. That's not great for the market. That's not great for what we want to do as traders. Long-term investors, for long-term investors. Now, as a day trader, guys, you literally could look at any good, solid company, okay? Whether it's depending on your price per share that you want, NVIDIA, SoundHound, okay? Google, Alphabet, Apple, let's see, Wolf, WLF, APLD, Serve Robotics, AMD. These are all stocks that are day tradable. Again, know your candlestick pattern. And guys, I'm getting ready to launch a series of candlestick pattern training videos that we're going to have on this channel. It'll be dedicated to nothing but candlestick pattern training, to try to help you guys understand a little bit more about candlesticks. Or you may be a very experienced seasoned trader and you already know a lot about candlestick patterns, and you won't need the training. You don't need it. Maybe it's just a good refresher. But either way, we're going to get ready to launch that in this channel. So here's what I'm looking at tomorrow, guys. I'm looking to wake up. I usually get up about 4:30, 5 o'clock, start looking at the market to see what it's doing. I'm going to get up and I'm going to start to look to see what's happening with the 4:30 pre-market open. And a lot of the stocks that I am in, Palantir, which I continue to buy on the dips, and I'm very happy because it's performing very well, and it will be a great future investment retirement long-term stock. I'm going to look and see what else is out there to buy. Guys, I know GameStop is a big one that everybody loves to talk about, loves to know about, and all that, but I'm not in GameStop. I told the guys today, hey, you know what? When it drops back down a little bit, I might buy into some GameStop. I don't know. I just look at the cost per average and the price per average and where it's been. I mean, I get it. It's at like $22, $23 right now. So chances are, if it hits 25, 28, 30, but looking back in history, looking to the left, I've not seen huge increases that get me too excited. And I know tons of people are excited about GameStop. Not one of my faves, but I'm going to pop up on the screen right here so you can see where it's at right now. And then tomorrow in my next video, I'll pop up the morning and we'll see where it was at for the morning. But ultimately, guys, Palantir, Nike's one I hadn't been in. I think I mentioned that, and I'm pretty happy about it and excited to see what Nike does. Nike's in the 50s. It was all the way up to the 80 and 100s. So there's a really great opportunity for that. So we'll see what happens. But my tomorrow morning day trade stocks, okay, guys, all day long, APLD, Applied Digital. They even have earnings coming up on the 14th. So I'm going to load up on the 14th and have a good number of shares in to see what earnings does. Last few earnings for APLD were met with very positive results. So we'll see what happens. And if you guys are traders that play earnings, you know that some of those stocks, when you are playing the stock during an earnings announcement, I mean, some of them go crazy. Some of them launch to the moon. So we'll see what happens with APLD. Ford is one I'm going to be watching tomorrow. I'm probably not going to look at Wolf, WULF, tomorrow. It did have a good run today, but had some downfall too. And I'm going to watch to see what happens to it tomorrow. But SoFi, it did exactly what I thought it was going to do. I got it in the low 7s. And it closed yesterday in the 9s, 980 something, and I knew it was going to continue to run, and it did. It ran over 10. It's back down. I'll put it up here on the screen as well. Back down. SoFi's one that I'm going to be looking to trade tomorrow. Probably get in and get out, but we'll wait to see, because SoFi's got a really good long-term, potential for stock value. Anyway, guys, listen, not financial advice, not stock advice. If you want to know more about my strategy, then please go on the channel to the very first video, episode 1, about the best day trading stocks. It's about a 34-minute video. I talk all about the strategy, what I'm looking for, volume, share cost. I explain it all to you in detail, how I operate as a day trader. Listen, it may not work for you, but it works very well for me, and I've had other people tell me that it's working very well for them, and the goal is to get in and make some money. Guys, I'm just going to tell you right now, right? The market is ready to explode. As soon as the White House and Donald Trump and his cabinet finish this tariff issue, okay, and I love to call it an issue. It's not a tariff war. It's not a tariff policy. It's an issue because we are wanting the other countries just to negotiate with us and allow us the ability to negotiate with them for better trade deals and better trade environment globally, okay? China continues to punch back. Did anybody expect China to just lay down and be like, okay, United States, we'll do whatever you want? No. Even when Trump took office first time, China pushed back. Other presidents have attempted to do tariffs, and China pushes back. Guys, it's just the way it's going to be. We have a lot of what they want. They have a lot of what we want. And so neither one of us want to budge. It's the battle of the two bullies. Okay. But I know that the answer, the finalization of all this is coming around the corner. And I'm just going to tell you right now, guys, that a down market, a market that goes into correction, a market that drops as significantly as we have in the last several days or couple weeks, rebounds stronger than ever, guys. And we are going to explode. Don't take that as financial advice, but my opinion, the market is ready to pop and explode, guys. And I'm going to be in it. I'm already preparing myself by buying a lot of these amazing amazing stocks very low, and getting myself situated and in a position to make that money. And that's what it's all about, guys. So if you're interested in making money with me, then jump into some of these stocks. But here's what I first recommend. Do your own homework, do your own research, look up the companies, understand what they're all about, know what you're investing in, and make sure that those decisions are right for you. Last thing, don't invest your mortgage payment, the money you need to put food on the table for your kids, for your family, your car payment, your rent. That's not the money you trade with, guys. If you don't have money that you could risk losing without it affecting you financially, hurting you financially, then stay out of this. Please, I literally do beg and pray that you guys are not dumping into the market with money that you cannot afford to lose, because the market can take it away, and then when the market rebounds, bring it back, and we don't know how long that period of time could be before the market would rebound for you. Anyway, please, guys, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. I'm very excited to see what the day brings us tomorrow. And if you made money today in the market based on anything I've shared in other videos, or if you're making money in the market through a different strategy or a different way, guys, share it in the comments. Let's get this to be a community where we're sharing with each other through the channel what's going on in the market. What are you seeing in the market? And if you have a different opinion, listen, I'm not closed-minded to any opinion. I'm neutral on all of it. If you have a different opinion, share it. Only thing I ask is that be respectful to each other. Be respectful to me as I'm going to be respectful to you in my responses, and drop those comments in there so that we can talk about what's going on and make each other more educated and more valuable and better traders. And let's get rich together. Let's get that money. Peace.